Welcome, guys. Uh, Welcome to my channel, SM Data Science. So today I showing how to train how to train a data set, how to create a model, how to build a model. Okay, so it's the next part. First of all, it's the um, is the library for running this code we need to uh, library so I focus this library import job lib it's record for we are train our model after the train model for save this model we need to that library job lib. So import the job lib library for saving and loading models. Okay, so uh, as you know, previous video told uh, I told you the how to collect the data. After data collection, uh, I collect the data for alphabet. Just a minute. Wait for running. Just a minute. First of all, we need to run this part. Run this cell. Okay, I run it. This line of code mean we read to CSV file. Okay. As you see, my data set look like the total. I have 1 to 26 mean A to Z, 26 alphabet. I want to train. Total, I have 9,137 data we have. Okay, so come. So now, uh, so output column output is our target variable. You see, uh, actually, this means that this whole 25 column, landmark 0 to landmark 20, one row. This whole means 1, same as 1 to 26, I mean E to Z. Okay, so our target variable is 1. If you not understand, if you not understand any part, you comment it. I solve your uh, I try to solve your problem. I try to um, explain more easily. Okay, now I now came to next cell. It's this means we the separate feature and target variable. So our target variable is y. I mean output column is y, and other column is our feature variable. An actual independent variable and dependent variable. Based on independent variable, dependent variable was change. Dependent variable always depend on independent variable. Okay, so I split data into testing set. Suppose I have total 100 data, so I split it 70 to 3 ratio. I mean 70/30. 70 for testing. 70 data is for training and 30 data for testing. Um, for calculate accuracy. When I run this mod, I use random forest classifier for train the data set. Uh, okay, I run it. It's take few minutes because the data set is very uh, long and large data set. Total 9,138 data and into 85. There are a lot of 1 lakh, nearest 1 to 1.5 lakh data. It's take few minutes. Okay, done. Now we write the accuracy of model. It's our model accuracy is 98.79. That is good, very good. After 10 model, then we use Jobly for save the file. Okay, name, you change the name, was alphabet 26, then I save it. Okay, ISL alphabet 26 model.jobly was saved. If you check, as you see 5 seconds ago, I saved the model, and there are total 17.1 MB. Uh, I train our dataset, and the model size is 17.1 MB. After uh, so now we I done the training our dataset and build our model. Then we going to evaluate the code. We test our model is right or wrong. Right. So next part, next video, I will show how show the code, and I show the how to evaluate the code. Okay. So today stop our session. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Goodbye.